Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very simple quiz and we have here basic operation, multiplication, division and subtraction. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list we have four answers. So after solving it, we will find out which answer is correct. So we have 50, A is 50, B is 54, C is 55, and D is 56. So we will see which answer is correct. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's talk about what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS rules. Basically, these are the rules to apply and to solve any arithmetic expression. So it means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent or order of any number. So you have to see if you have any exponent, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, in your expression, you have to go left to right and find out division and multiplication. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication part. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, let's move towards to solve the given expression. As you can see, on the screen, we have 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 10 divided by 2 minus 7 minus 1. And here we have 3 brackets. One is this one, other one this one, and third one is this one. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first we have to solve all brackets. So here we have to solve this part first. We will solve first bracket 3 multiplied by 4 which is equals to 12. And other parts we will write as it is. And here we can give the reference like 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. Now move forward to solve other bracket, which is second bracket, 10 divided by 2. So we will write 12 multiplied by 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. And this thing like 7 minus 1, we will write as it is. So here we will write 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. Now, move forward to solve the all brackets. So we have to solve this part first. Not we will solve this part or something. We have to solve this part first. First, we will have to solve this one. So we will write 7 minus 1 equals to 6. Now we will give the reference here. 7 minus 1 equals to 6. Now move forward, and now we do not have any bracket and also we do not have any exponent part. So what we will do here, first we will do the addition and subtraction. So here, first we will do division and multiplication. So here, if we will go left to right in our expression and find out multiplication. So here we have this multiplication, so we will solve this one. So 12 divided by multiplied by 5 equals to 60 minus 6, and here we have minus 6. Now we will give the reference 12 multiplied by 5 equals to 60, and now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So here we have the answer is 54. So the answer of the given expression is 54. I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and get the correct result. You can see the answer B is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.